How? I don't know. Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry it's been a while. Again. I thought I'd try something a little different today rather than just like Fast and Furious cars and other. Death race car. Just do totally randomly. Yeah, it can drop proxy mines. It has machine guns on the front and yeah, it's got this big tombstone thing on the back as well, so hopefully that can take some damage away from the actual gunfire and stuff from running away for these fantastic people. Inventory, body armor. Hey, let's get going and what? I better watch, I'll get done for copyright and then I won't be able to put this video up. Sorry guys, just fiddling a bit with my gun. Right, I'm not going to rip round that way because that's when the tank will jump out. I'm going to try and be sneaky. Oh well, my windows aren't exactly bulletproof, are they? Jesus. Right. Screw it. I'm going to hit that jump down there. Hopefully I can jump out. Hopefully the tank doesn't arrive. Let's go, let's go. Oh, just. Oh, come on, I need my door, don't take my door off. Oh, thank goodness. Right, let's go. Oh, fuck. Apologies guys, I've not got my license yet. Let's go. Oh, no, don't go that. Nah, I don't think I'll make over that really. So I have to go down here. Don't want to lose the police before I get out of this bit. There we go. There we go. You know, just spawned out of nowhere. Right. So my objective is simple as always. It's just going to try and run away from these guys. And live. I might be able to cross there. Got a bit of speed, but oh, yay! And a new way to travel about the place. Submarine cars. Right. What way we got to go? I will go this way. Get some nice corners in. So actually drives not bad for one big chunky muscle car. I'll keep following this road. Oh, I might have looked to regret that. Oh, right, I took him off before he shot me. Good. Let's go. Oh. Oh, I'm pretty sure I ran over his legs. How did he stand back up again? Bloody Terminator. Oh, oh no. Oh, took my armor. Come on guys, come on. Oh. Come on, there we go. More. I do like these miniguns on this, they're fun. Oh. Didn't blame you guys, the police are hostile as hell in this place. Honestly. You'd think I was a fucking terrorist, you'd think I'd killed someone. Although, I've just realised I can also do this. That? Oh! No, I didn't mean to hit that button. Wrong button. Yeah, I don't want to screw us up with the big one. Is it A? Oh, not A. What's the button? Sorry guys, I'm trying to figure out, there's a way to drop proxy. Figured it out. There's a way to drop proxy mines in this thing. Oh, it's not. How? Ah, I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe there's no proxy mines on it. I'm sure there was. Oh yeah, cool ass green lights. Sorry for my poor driving guys, I was too distracted by my fancy nails. This is a fun car. Hopefully that gunfire's not too loud for the video actually. It'll be alright. What are you going to do about it, like? How are you going to stop me? That's the thing, guys. This game I don't remember what buttons approximately. Oh! It's not that one. Oh! Where can I go? Red car park maybe? Yeah, let's try that. At least to get a wee bit of a breather for these guys. Bulletproof tyres, spike strips are pointless. Oh, come on. This car's acceleration is so bad. Oh no. Don't bring the chopper this way. Come on, the way Tactical's over, be sneaky. Let's see, what 40? This level? I think this level should be okay. There we go, I can keep an eye on both, although that chopper might see me in a second. You can see its spotlight trying to get me. Car's coming up. They're coming down. Oh, it sounds like they're getting way closer. Way. There we go. Fun times. Another cool wee thing I like about this car is you can drop the tombstone off the back, like the movie. Anyway, I'll grab another car and I'll catch you for the next one. Thanks guys. Hey guys, I'm back for round 2. Obviously I had Frankenstein's muscle car. Not 100% sure what it is, but and I should have kept my cars. I thought I'd try the absolute beast of a truck that they pull out, even though mine isn't quite the same. Yeah, I wanna be Dreadnought. Shame I've not got a guy to use the gun at the top. Maybe that's me that uses that. Oh well, as you can see I've got extra armour, spikes and whatnot, which will leave a lovely holes in these army people. I just hope I hope the tanks don't jump out, because they can still blow this up to crap probably, let's be honest. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Not a slow thing. Oh, it's a It's a flamethrower it has, Jesus Christ. I don't wanna. Oh! Well, I think this is going to go sideways very fast. Like 1 foot. How the fuck did that miss? Well, there you go, guys. Didn't last very long, a minute 40. Screw it, I'll just call it back and now I'll wait. It won't take long. Oh well, that was quite disappointing.
Hello, this is Morse Mutual Insurance. I think we can handle that.
And we just request vehicle, there we go, I'll swap in a wee second. Yeah, that was fun. At least my suit's nice and clean again, no bullet holes in it. Right. I'll get back in this, just put some armour on. Inventory, armour. Go. What I might do actually is I'll get up so far and then I'll reverse in a wee bit, get the 4-star, then I'll run away. Yeah, that might work. There we go. I thought I'd try brute force rather than speed this time to get away. I mean, something different again. Oh. I really need to learn how to drive it. Do it first person, there we go. Oh, this is nasty. This is what it's like to drive. Jesus. Right, here we go. Turn around so they can't shoot me in the face. That was a fun day when you don't get shot in the face. Right, let's get this 4-star. There we go. This is fun. What? This thing can jump? What? How ridiculous is that? Jesus. That's got a flamethrower. Sweet. Don't know how good that's going to do against anything. It seems totally ineffective. What's the point in it? Useless way. Oh, you can actually scoop cars. Sweet. I like that. I like that. Scoop cars. Might use this more often. So it's just the flamethrower it's got in this one, guys. Just the flamethrower. A bit disappointing. There you go. There we go. It just makes the other guys jump. Might come in handy for the SWAT guys then more often. What do you expect, guy, honestly? Why would I slow down in this thing? Honest. Whoa, wrong button, wrong! The guy in the scoop. Where did, no! I ever get this. Well, I need to concentrate on my driving. Jeez. Right. How am I going to get this in here? Oh. We're there. I can jump. Maybe I can get up this wee bit and then jump it and try and use what got me in this mess out of this mess. Right. Oh! The jump's just not well. Sorry about the horn, guys. That's the jump button. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work. Yeah, I might have to try again with it. That's a shame.
Outsource.
Been impounded by the authorities. Impounded by the authorities, but I need to call Morse to make a claim, so it's been destroyed.
MMI, we expect the unexpected.
It's a bit
I'll
random.
do my best.
So they impounded it and destroyed it straight away. I suppose it makes sense if it's a dangerous vehicle. Right. Let's try. Maybe I'll just try that middle road again. Even though the twists and turns of it. Can you not see the giant truck in the way, lady? Or man? Jesus Christ. I'm sorry, I don't know, nowadays you might be able to. What? This thing lays proxy mines. Sweet. So the other thing doesn't light up, but this does. Boom! Oh, it's not an explosive one, I don't think. Aye. Right, I'll just do my wee sneaky bit at the gate again. Ah. Third time's lucky, hopefully. Oh! This thing is a beast when it comes to bashing things like. I like it. Right. Let's have some fun. Again, guys, thanks for watching my videos and stuff. I waited until I had 15 views before I put another one up. Even though 15 views is quite bad, but we've got to start somewhere, eh? We've got to start somewhere. But thank you for everyone so far. If I can just ask if you like and share, that would be great. Actually, wait there, I'm going to be sneaky. I'm not going to yeah, if I spin round and I'm down there, I'm going to get shot to hell. Right. Right, there we go, body armour. I know it's night time, but I don't need the lights on. Oh wait, I've just realised I've dropped proxy mines there. It's maybe a good get out of jail thing then. Well, it'd be good for these vehicles when they come racing towards me and then they just get boom. Sorry guys, I'm scraping against the barrier. Not a good start. Let's see what this does. There we go. Ah, what? Not close enough. Oh well. So my light's going on and off, guys. That's how you drop the proxy mines. Whee! Oh, this has got to be fun. Right. Click, click, click. Pew, pew, pew. Better watch, I'll get a higher one he's level. That doesn't seem to damage them too badly, but still a fun weapon, I would say. Right, come on guys, do you mind? Do you mind? Come on. Oh, I'll get SWAT guys. There we go. By the way. Well, they actually got out of the way from me. How nice was that of them? How nice was that? Right, let's go, go, go. Get the hell out of here. Well, that didn't do anything to the SWAT guys, did it? That's a shame. I don't know if this is going to do damage to my vehicle or something doing that. Nah, some proxies, I think. We scoop this one. Oh, wrong button again. Right, these SWAT guys are annoying. There we go. Twisty roads, right. Oh no! At least it's working for brute strength. It's a good thing the army can't bring out the tanks like they did in the older GTA games, so that'd be sweet. Ah. Fun times. Oh! Come on, I don't want to hit more clocks, eh? Right. Oh, come on, come on. Oh. Right, come on, come on. Ah. Oh. Cops are good at shooting, I'll give them that. The only thing I don't know is when I'm going to hide this beast of a truck, man. Where can I hide this thing, honestly? Oh, where can I hide it? I think I can hide in that garage, I thought it was going to fit in. It's one thing I didn't think about actually, if I could actually hide with this thing. I just thought pure brute strength would be funny to watch. Oh. Well, ain't that a pile of crap? Oh well, thanks for watching guys, that ended a bit prematurely. Thanks for watching, catch you next time, spread the word, peace out guys.